Welcome to the Hideaway, the adults-only neighborhood here on Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas. Perfect spot to relax, unwind, and soak in those amazing ocean views. And starting on the port side, you can see right here we have two whirlpools that overlook the back of the ship, give you some amazing views while you're relaxing. And as we head down the stairs, take a look at all the seating that's available back here. My only issue with back here is the lack of shade. You get a little bit from these fake palm trees, but not much else. So if you're into soaking in the sun, this is a great spot for you. And right here you see we have these cushioned day beds that are available for rent. They're perfectly positioned for that ocean breeze and panoramic views of the sea behind you. Definitely one of the more relaxing spots, especially in the morning before it gets too busy. And in the center, you have the main attraction, the infinity pool. People love lining up right on the edge there, looking down onto the ocean. And you also have day beds in the middle there that you can rent. Royal Caribbean's definitely going for that Vegas pool party, Miami Beach pool party vibe. And just as another word of precaution, there is no shade in this area at all. And over here you have the towel exchange area. And as you can see, again, nice, airy, tropical vibes meets Vegas pool party. And as we continue on over to this side, we have the Hideaway Bar. There is plenty of seating over here. You have more day bed rentals facing the ocean. Plenty of other chairs, tables, you can relax. And this area does have some of the very few areas of shade. And you see people here taking advantage of it. But yeah, you can spend basically your whole day here, soaking up the sun, having some great drinks, relaxing, listening to the music. And it just, like I said, that Vegas party vibe. And as we make our way back, you can really see why the Hideaway has become such a favorite for adults on board. Whether you're hanging out in the infinity pool, chilling in one of the whirlpools, or just stretched out on one of your day bed rentals with a cocktail. One of the best views anywhere on Star of the Seas. And so that wraps up this walkthrough of the Hideaway. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. Make sure you're subscribing to see all of our cruising content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.